Y'all, I'm getting sad already. You know why? Because I'm doing the 12 days of Christmas cookies. And this is number 8. And I'm going to be so sad when we're done. Cookie baking it's just satisfying. It just hits that spot that sometimes needs hitting, little sugar. I need a little sugar over here, a little sugar over here. So I'm going to be sad. But you'll be happy when you get on these recipes because they are really good ones. This next cookie, number 8 cookie, is a quick and easy shortbread cookie that we're going to roll, and we're going to make it Christmassy by rolling it in sanding sugar. And then we just going to slice it so it's real easy. I'm going to beat my butter and my confectionate sugar together. Now, this shortbread cookie is not going to be real sweet, but it will have, some sanding sugar on it. All right, we're actually going to beat this for about 2 or 3 minutes, y'all. But you want to stop periodically, and scrape down your bowl, because you don't want to miss nothing. Not a grain. And we'll stop and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That's a Paula teaspoon. Let it overflow just a little bit. And now I'm going to start by slowly incorporating our all-purpose flour. All righty. We got all the flour in. I've got me some parchment paper now, and we're going to divide this batter, this cookie dough. And I'll try to half it as good as I can. I mean, it really doesn't matter. That part's not critical. Because I'm going to have one log red, and then I'm going to have other log green. So that's the only reason I want to try to keep it. Ooh, this is pretty dough. That's the only reason why I want to keep it kind of the same size, so we'll have the equal amount of cookies in green and equal amount in red. The warmth of your hand will make that come together good. All right, so you'll just want to roll it out to like the size of the cookie you're hoping to have. So I think that's the size I want to have right there. And these are going to sit in the refrigerator for 1 hour. And it'll be cold enough for us to slice it. Well, first we'll be rolling it in sugar, and then we'll be slicing it. Takes a lot of this sugar, this sanding sugar. Now I'm going to cut these about 1/4 of an inch. I think or did it say 1/2 an inch? Golly bum, I can't remember. But let's do it like this. These are going to be pretty. I think the red's covering better than the green.
Yes.
All right, 350, 8 to 10 minutes. Isn't that what we said, Teresa?
That's it.
Yay. Y'all don't want to save this recipe now. This is easy, colorful shortbread cookies. And they're really, really easy to make. You know, you just have to put them in the refrigerator for an hour so you can slice that. But aren't these pretty and colorful? That was interesting. That was the tail end, you know, of the log. So I'll take the tail end. How's that? Ooh, yeah, I like that. You know, Teresa, there is nothing like a shortbread, is it?
My favorite.
It's so good. And it just like melts in your mouth. You really don't have to chew. Just put your teeth together and enjoy the wonderful flavor. What cookie was this? Is this number 8?
This was number 8.
We got some real winners this year. And when we were talking earlier, I remember one year, I wasn't real happy with the way the cookies turned out. For whatever reason, I can't remember. But these, I mean, these are all an 8 to 10 on the scale of 1 to 10.
Absolutely. They are all good. And we're through day 9, even though this is day 8.
Yes. Coming up, we're getting close to the end. Cookie number 9. Love and best cookies, y'all. I'll see you later.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.